Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and launching Bgmi. Open Settings Graphics immediately. Once in Graphics, select HDR if available and pick the highest frame rate supported by your screen, 60, 90, or 120 Hz. You should enable developer options on the phone and make sure background apps are closed to free memory. This reduces stuttering and lets the game apply higher texture and lighting profiles. Make sure battery saver is off. Performance modes help the GPU sustain Ultra HDR visuals. Once done with basic selection, advance to rendering tweaks. You should set frame rate to the highest stable option and enable anti-aliasing to reduce edge artifacts. This improves perceived detail in HDR lighting. Adjust shadow quality to medium or high so that contrast stays natural without heavy slowdowns. If Bgmi shows an Ultra HDR or Ultra HD toggle, turn it on and restart the app so shaders recompile. These steps balance GPU load and keep bright highlights and deep shadows looking correct. To finish, restart Bgmi and test in a practice match to confirm Ultra HDR effects. Check reflections, bloom, and shadow depth. If you notice frame drops or heating, reduce resolution or drop frame rate by one step, then test again. Make sure system GPU drivers and OS are updated. Clear Bgmi cache if visuals glitch. If things go wrong, revert one changed setting at a time to isolate the culprit. That helps you quickly find whether shadows, anti-aliasing, or frame rate caused instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.